Kesorkan Meghalaya kan si Tyllong bat ke Germany's KfW Development Bank ban Pynneh Pynsah ke Tyllong ha ke Jylla. Lengba kini projek an sepai khmat syakawa umyau bat kawak ganol ke bapen biang ya ke umbam di hanong bak Tyllong bat hatura. Menteri Kesorkar Markus N Marak ulap pernah bat an sashimi kisenjam ban penkhoj bat Pynneh Pynsah ya kini kiwa. Katong jong kini projek kalong ban pentikna ba an la ban penbiang gi jingdon kam hagis nyong kitau kiri sampang keri Germany ki siarap ban ai ki buj kumnu ban Pynneh Pynsah ya kini Tyllong ki bakong san bat ban weng ya ki jingkur ha kathan.
In collaboration with German government technology, the MDMA department is taking care of all these projects. It's a German term, so German government is funding it through ADB. So this is what the project name is. So government has already started the, chalk out the plans. There are different kinds of different components of work in it, and MBMA is taking care of this project. First component of work is to sensitize the people about the drying up of the sources, which they have already started. And the same is happening in Tura, Ganol sources. So Ganol is the main river which will cater to the water supply of Tura town. So therefore the catchment areas of Ganol River, all the catchment areas of Ganol rivers are being taken care of under this project.
Kesorkar Jylla keletemu